we have ourselves a small little heat pad here. I'm going to be using it for something totally different. And then it got in my mind that maybe people are using it for better than just their back or something. I'm actually using this to heat, just warm up one of them battery banks. They call them generators, but to keep it warm, that way it keeps running through the cold. The other side is English, but there's a big sticker over it that has my address on it. Link will be in the description below. I did buy this on Amazon on Black Friday. I think I saved like 50 cents. Most likely they upped the price and then put it back on sale. I'm going to show how many watts it's using. I'm not going to show the heat that it puts out, because if you want an electric blanket to work right, you have to put something on top of it so that the heat doesn't escape. Depending on what you put on top, that also depends on how hot it's going to get. Again. But the wattage should show you a little bit of stuff. We'll also see where the... Oh, it's so cute. It's perfect for what I want. Instruction manual. Does it say anything about it? If you guys want to see that, just pause it, screenshot. Okay, what we got here? Let's see. Looks like, oh, it reminds me of Charlie Brown's blanket. So we have a heat pad. There's a wire right there. Wire right there. Gosh, you almost can't even feel the wires. Whole instruction pad. It says it goes up to 50 watt. We're going to test that. Nice little pad there. If you want to clean this, I think that's what that is for. Now I can feel that wire, that wire. You don't really feel the wires. Okay, so let's put it back in there. Turn it on. Would be better if it had a zip on it. Why do you have to put this one on the bottom? That one button probably ain't gonna do much. Okay, hold it like that. Pull it through. Yep, that worked perfect. Okay, and button the button back, which probably won't stay. Nice little cheapo zipper would have been really nice. Okay, we have indicator light and a on, off, high, low, off. Let's go ahead and see how many watts it uses and amps, in case somebody's using it for something different just like I am. As it sits, no power. No power. Turn on low. Using 24. That's good, because if it uses 50, it's kind of cool that low uses half of what it's supposed to. See how many amps it's using. Hopefully it's near nothing. Amps, 0.1. Good. Sometimes when you get heating products, man, they wrap up the amps. I did not look how that power cord went in. That just goes right in. It's sealed so you're not pulling on it. That's nice. It has a lot on it to where you're not going to be yanking the cords on the inside. Okay, let's up it to high. High is red. I like that it's a different indicator. It's pulling 39 watts. I'll let it sit there for a little bit before I show you guys. So it's not pulling the full 50 that it said. Oh no, it's not watts. I'm still under the amps. Sorry. It's pulling 0.4 amps. That ain't nothing. And it's pulling 47.2 watts. Did it peak? Nope, 47.4 was its high. So it does not surge a device. That's perfect. Can I feel its heat? Not really. Let's let it sit there for a little bit. Again, the link will be in the description below. It says it helps with lower back pain. I'm going to be hopefully just keeping a battery warm. If you guys know what I'm talking about, them solar generators or whatever. It's basically a big power bank because it don't generate power. But I use it in below 0 temperatures and it doesn't like that. So I'm going to put this on it and then wrap it and actually have the device itself be powering it just to keep it warmer. That way it works through any temperatures. Oh yeah, it's warming up now. That's nice. Nice and toasty. Okay, that's about all I can do for the review video. Hopefully it helps somebody out because they really don't show you everything in the pictures, especially this bag and all that. That's pretty cool. So, hopefully it helps somebody out. Thanks for watching.